Hey, so a quick video update. Let me show you something real quick. Uh, so we finished week one, right? So you can see week one above my head there. That was chapters 1 and 2, and we did a safety lecture actually in the Thursday class. The Tuesday class, we're still going to have to do that. Worksheet 2, it says A, but it's actually 2B was done in class, and we worked on significant figures and unit conversions and stuff. So the homeworks for 1 and 2 and the worksheet should have been turned in by now. And then this week, what we're going to do is we're going to work on oops, let me get to the screen. We're going to be working on chapter 3. So you should have watched the videos for chapter 3 by now. If you're watching this on Tuesday, you should have watched them already and really try to do some of the problems. Now, a little heads up on the lab this week. There is a pre-lab in the lab this week. So if you click on that, you'll see it. Get rid of my giant head here real quick. All right. You're going to go to the experiment files, densities of solids and liquids, and then hit the reports file. And in that file, you'll see, let me scroll that up a little bit. You'll see the first thing is a pre-lab, right? So you should be able to do these after reading the introduction or from prior knowledge of what you've learned about densities in the past. And you should be able to do these calculations, but make sure you keep track of significant figures. So I'll just tell you like a couple of things here, right? This one says 30.0 milliliters. That's 3 significant figures. When you calculate your density, calculate it all the way out, showing, more than the correct number of significant figures, and then round it to the correct number of significant figures and put a box around it when you're done so that I know that you did the calculation, checked sig figs, and then boxing it just makes it easier for me to find. You'll need to do this before you come to class. Now, this week when you come to class, what you're going to get is a handout which contains all the labs and worksheets for the semester. So you'll be able to take that home, fill those things out in the packet, and then tear them out and hand them to me in class. So pre-labs need to be done before you get to class. Make sure you keep track of significant figures. And then these kinds of calculations will show up in your lab quiz, which is a couple of weeks away now. Okay. So if you have any questions, again, you can always just get a hold of me by texting me and saying, hey, I didn't understand that thing in the video. And then I'll go ahead and explain that thing in the video by maybe making another video. Anyways, uh, hope you had a good last week, and I hope this week goes better still. All right. See you soon.